Well, good morning or afternoon, depending on what planet you're on. Today's topic of discussion is the hateful old Ford XF door handle. If you own one of these cars, chances are you've had problems with one of these. Two problems. One is it doesn't quite move this lever arm far enough up to really undo the door all the time. So I came up with this idea. Weld yourself on a little piece of about 3mm thick stuff. Did that with a TIG torch. You gotta be careful not to get too busy, or it will melt the aluminum pot metal, whatever this is. Then, of course, the thing is riveted together, as you can see here. It's just riveted, and we're going to drill that out in a minute. So first I tried drilling a hole through it, putting a small bolt in it. Trouble is, isn't really that strong, had more failures. Alright, let's fire up the drill. It's just peened over hot metal. Okay, take it apart. Watch out for the spring. I failed to mention that. And then just drill right through. Not following. Oh well. Don't take shortcuts. There is a hole through. Fighting back. I'm going to have to turn this around so I can see what I'm doing. Apologies for that. Yeah, would you know it? Not only is the drill bit dull, battery's going dead. I've got another drill bit. Another drill. Don't you just love these how-to videos where everything's sculpted out, it's already been done, they're just faking it. Yeah, that's better. That got its attention. Sort of straight. Doesn't have to be perfect. It's a Ford product after all. There we go. Alright. Try it again with the bigger drill bit. Maybe I'll get all scientific and file that off just a bit so it's sort of straight. Kind of awkward to clamp these things. Yeah, that'll work. Either work or it'll make a colossal disaster. Yeah, probably ought to tighten the chuck up and put the foot setting on. Here, sort of protected from myself. Okay, let's see. Is this the right size bolt? Did I get the right? Yeah, I got that part right. Right size bolt, or close to it. Obviously, hole not quite big enough. Easily fixed. Be right back. Don't be dilatory. Gotta go do the file thing again. Just had to put up a fight this morning. Certainly right. I did something too easy last time. Went too well. I'll probably break this. Should probably do a live show. Come on. Yeah. Oh, you know you want to. Just that little bit it's hung up on. Stubborn. I love it when things go well on camera. Yeah, what was so hard about that? Alright. Smooth it up a little bit. There we go. Okay. Now we've managed to get ourselves a hole all the way through. Yeah. Put this puppy in right here. Put this on here with the spring. And I'll make sure. It's always good to take lefts and rights apart at the same time so you forget which way it goes. That always adds to the entertainment. Especially if you're cheap and you only get one of the things. Let's see, it's gotta go. I go around like that, I think. Is that right? That's backwards. Hopefully I haven't gotten the parts mixed up. The only way that can go. Right like that. Needs a bit of work there. Part of the reason it was a problem, it was the spring was riding up. There we go. Okay, the thing's got to go like that. And goes like that. Winds like so. Of course, I've left the nut off so I could get at it. Put a washer on. Put the nut on. Turns out there's lots of room where up in the door where this goes. Now, tighten her up. So you don't have to worry about any of this hitting. Anyway, the thing that's lacking is a little bit of spot welding or peening or whatever your choice of thing is. It's like, got to get that a little tighter. Notice it wobbles a little bit there. Let me tighten it up some. But I tried this, and so far this hasn't let me down. Yeah, so other than a bit of welding, one each door handle for Ford XF fixed up. I don't think this is going to fail me. Everything else so far has. Got tired of buying the ones that were just peened over with a little dinky peen over. And tried the little small screw, that didn't work. This, zap it with the welder, it'll stay. Or peen it. Or double nut it. You have your choice. Thanks for watching. Hopefully I wasn't that bad. I'll cut some of this out on edit.